where we cut our pieces off the back, attached them on the front. Now here's the side that was taped. It's got the X's on it. Now that's the side we're going to draw on because it's going to go against the foam. And we'll line this up pretty much centered. And we're going to have to cut some of this off. So we'll use this marker. Okay, we'll cut this out on the bandsaw and go ahead and we'll get it ready. Okay, we cut our sheeting off. I left about a half an inch all the way around my mark. Give me plenty of room to work. You notice when you got this turtleneck, you had an inside piece, had the shuck that came with it. And we're going to use all those pieces to put this together. Put a little paper on the bench because this is a little bit messy. Now this is a water-soluble contact cement. We use this lightweight. It has great adhesion, plus a little forgiving. You can place the sheeting on here several times and it won't be stuck right away like most of your contact glues. They just paint this enough to make it turn color. We call this cosmetic foam, like I said, because it just makes a shape. That's why we don't use epoxy on this. On our flying surface foam, on our tail assembly, or if we had a pair of foam wings, which is, some of our aircraft come either way, you can buy them with build up or foam. You use epoxy on those because they're structured. And I've got a little bit on the paper, so we want to kind of keep this as clean as we can. We want to have a nice looking airplane when we get done. I'll just pull the edges out to the edge of the bench. You'll notice when you're putting this on, get this balsa wet, it'll start curling backwards. And what our process is, after it starts curling one way, we put a little water on the back of it to make it curl both ways, because when we put it in that shuck, we want it to be somewhat flexible. A lot of this weight of this product, since it's water soluble, is going to evaporate. Your other products, they're not water soluble, and most of the weight stays right where you put it. It's only got a chemical release agent that lets it go off. See, this one here is going to evaporate, so you don't want a lot on it, but you want enough to turn it color and nice and even. We tried all of them. We've tried every contact cement out there. This one we found We buy it in big drums. We'll sell it. That's one of our products. You can buy anything we use here. Okay. I'm going to go put a little water on the back of this. See, it's starting to curl the wrong way. Okay, I just stepped outside and run the hose on the back of this, got a little wet, and see it's starting to flatten back out. So what we'll do, we'll lay that down, take our piece of foam now. That's why we use this. You can set that on there and it's not going to stick. So we can guess the middle about where we made it before. We'll start at one edge, pick it up, and roll it tightly. We're just putting a little pressure against the bench, our foam piece. If you don't like the way it looks, start the other end. Same thing. See, now I didn't make it, so I'm going to replace it. Kind of important to get this pretty much on there the way you want. You look at each hand, see if there's any gaps. What we'll do now, we'll set that back in that shut. We'll start at the front of it and kind of work it back. Okay, now we got pretty good pressure all the way around on this. Everything's touching. They got a little more on that side than this side, but it won't matter because this is where it ends anyway. It glues right on the fuselage there. Now we're going to take that inside shut and put it in there. We're going to push it out. So now we've got the outside pushing out, we've got the inside pushing out, and that's going to give us a nice fit. You can look in there. I've even got a little bit squirting out. I'm going to take a razor and trim this with the bottom. Leave yourself 1/8 of an inch or so. The reason to do that, we're going to take this to shut. We don't want our shut our balsa wood holding that up. Just give yourself a little room. Take some tape. Now, just pull it over. Go down. Put 4 or 5 pieces on it if you. Okay, now we'll do the same with the hatch, but our main goal is to let that set overnight, and when we take it out in the morning, we'll turn that upside down. I'll show you how to do it. Turn it upside down and let the wood wick out. It'll pull all the moisture out of it, and that'll adhere down to that foam that you can't peel it off. But again, the water soluble gives you a lot of time to work. A little bit of mess, but it's not as bad as that other stuff. So we'll do the same to the hat and let them both sit till tomorrow, and we'll put them on. Over